So just about any convenience store or supermarket in Japan is going to sell these chocolates. They are, I guess, one of the top sellers. And the company that makes them is called Meiji, which is, of course, named after the Meiji era from 1868 to 1912. And they make good chocolate. And how I know this? Oh my gosh. This brings me to a story. Can't help myself. Back in the days when I lived in Tokyo, I used to work on the outskirts of Tokyo, and I used to visit a bunch of engineers next to a Meiji factory. So I have fond memories of walking to meet with those engineers to do some training, and the wafting of the melting chocolate in the air was intoxicating, and I can't forget. But these are basically your chocolate-covered almonds, and they're packaged like this, nice little roll-up. Sometimes they have little bags. Japanese packaging is fantastic, but this one is basically your nice, here, I'll pour them into a bowl here. Woo. Now these are going to be a little more waxy than your regular chocolates because, of course, they're touching each other. Japanese summers tend to get hot, so if you have a lack of coating on it, then you're going to have a melt disaster. So they are a little bit waxy. And they taste delicious. Here you can see that almond to chocolate ratio. It's a perfect combination, in my opinion. The almond's nice and toasty, quite literally. And rest assured here, my friends, you are not getting chocolate-flavored candy. You are getting real chocolate, which is another selling point for these delicious snacks. Recommend.